Join me as I take on the challenge of creating a stunning summer landscape using only my fingers and a whole lot of paint. There's something truly special about finger painting, especially during the summer season. It's an activity that brings out the kid in all of us, and I just love how it combines creativity with a sense of playfulness. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete beginner, finger painting is an excellent way to unwind and express yourself, and I'm excited to share some of its joys with you today. One thing that often surprises people is that finger painting isn't just for kids. While it's true that children adore it, many adults underestimate the therapeutic benefits and creative possibilities it offers. In fact, traditional painting methods often focus on precision and control, leaving little room for experimentation and spontaneous expression. Finger painting, on the other hand, is all about embracing the unknown and letting your emotions guide your artistic journey. Another misconception is that finger painting is somehow less sophisticated than other art forms. But let me tell you, it requires just as much skill and technique as any other medium. From mastering the subtle nuances of pressure and texture to achieving vibrant, layered colors, finger painting is an art form that demands patience, practice, and dedication. And the best part? It's accessible to anyone, regardless of their artistic background or experience. I've always found that finger painting allows me to tap into a sense of freedom and spontaneity that's harder to achieve with traditional brushes. There's something magical about using my fingers to apply paint, watching as the colors blend and merge in unexpected ways. It's almost like dancing with paint, and the process is just as enjoyable as the end result. When it comes to capturing the essence of summer, I think finger painting is the perfect medium. We can explore bold, sunny yellows, lush greens that evoke memories of lush forests, and deep blues that echo the warmth of a summer sky. From the vibrant hues of blooming flowers to the soft pastels of a summer sunset, the possibilities are endless, and I'm excited to show you some of my favorite techniques. As I begin, I'll start with a base coat of bright yellow, applying it in thick, sweeping strokes to create a sense of energy and movement. From there, I'll build up layers of green, from the pale mint of new leaves to the deep olive of mature foliage. And of course, no summer landscape would be complete without a touch of blue, whether that's the brilliant cobalt of a summer sky or the soft cerulean of a glinting lake. As I work, I'll share some of my favorite tips and tricks for achieving vibrant, textured colors. From using salt to create subtle, mottled effects to experimenting with different tools and materials, there are so many ways to add depth and interest to your finger paintings. And don't worry if things get messy, that's all part of the fun. Okay, let's take a step back and admire the finished piece. I just love how the colors seem to pulse with life, capturing the vibrant energy of a summer day. From the delicate textures of the flowers to the bold, sweeping strokes of the sky, every element works together to evoke the sense of joy and freedom that we associate with this time of year. I hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of finger painting, and I hope it's inspired you to give it a try for yourself. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and let your creativity shine. Don't worry too much about the end result. With finger painting, it's all about the journey, not the destination. Thanks for joining me on this creative adventure, and I'd love to hear about your own experiences with finger painting in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more art tutorials, creative challenges, and inspiring stories from the world of art.